We'll guide you through how to connect frames in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click the Windows Start icon on your keyboard and type Google Chrome into the search field to locate the browser application. Open Google Chrome and wait for it to launch completely on your device. Once the browser is ready, click the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and verify that you are already signed into your Figma account. After logging in successfully, choose one of your recent projects from the dashboard and open it. The edit page of your project will then appear, displaying the design canvas along with all available frames and design tools. Locate and click the Prototype tab, which allows you to create interactions and navigation between frames. Once the prototype panel is active, select the first frame that you want to use as the starting point of the interaction. After selecting the frame, look for the small plus symbol icon that appears on the side of the frame. Click and hold this icon, then drag the connection line toward frame 2, which will serve as a destination frame. Release the mouse button when the connection reaches the second frame. As soon as the connection is created, the interaction bar will automatically appear and display several configuration options. Review the available settings and choose the trigger that best matches your intended behavior. For this example, select After Delay as the trigger option. This setting causes the transition to occur automatically after a specified amount of time, rather than requiring a click or tap from a user. Next, locate the animation settings within the interaction panel and change the animation type to Smart Animate. After everything has been configured, click the Preview button located in the top right corner of the Figma interface. The prototype preview window will open, allowing you to test the connection and observe the transition between the frames.